2 bazookas for sale. Who wants them? At the time of this video's release, both of these bazookas are up for auction on Gunbroker, and they can be found by either searching for the M72 LAW or the BeastLoader. Now, if you haven't been following along with these projects, the BeastLoader is a subcaliber insert for deactivated M72 LAW tubes. The subcaliber insert can chamber any 37mm casing, integrates into the existing trigger mechanism, and best of all, it does not require any permanent modification to the deactivated tube itself. And to top it off, 37mm signal devices aren't regulated, so they can be shot off anywhere and any time that fireworks are allowed. Now, I want to emphasize that these are the only 2 that I'll be selling as a full kit. I do not plan to sell any deactivated tubes from here on. And for these, they'll be going up for auction individually, and they will include a BeastLoader Alpha subcaliber insert to shoot 37mm rounds out of. They will both be fully operational and ready to go, out of the box, shipped directly to you, no FFL needed. With that said, like I mentioned before, I'll still be selling the BeastLoader Alpha subcaliber inserts on a made-to-order basis if you do have a deactivated tube that has a functioning trigger, whether you have it now or get that in the future, so that is still an option. And lastly, the project in works is the BeastLoader Bravo, which is a fully redesigned from the ground up M72 LAW tube with an integrated 37mm launcher, so no subcaliber insert. That is still in the works, so if that's something that tickles your fancy later on, then feel free to follow this channel to track the progress of that project. Now, once the auction ends, I plan to send these out as soon as possible, so if you know someone who needs one of these for the holidays, or if you just want to spend the new year in style, you know where to look. Until next time.